The employees of the Summit Company, J, K, L, and M, work a 4-day work week from Monday through Thursday. Every Monday, work begins on 4 raw work pieces, each of which is worked on for 4 consecutive days. On any given day, an employee works on exactly 1 work piece. At the beginning of each workday after Monday, each work piece is transferred from the employee who worked on it the previous day to another one of the employees who will work on it that day. Work pieces cannot be transferred in any of the following ways. Okay, so I know a lot of people had a little bit of an issue setting this game up. So the way we're going to set it up is we're going to have our inventory be our employees. So we have J, K, L, M, and soon you'll see why we're doing this. So we have inventory J, K, L, M, and then we have our 4 work pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because if you look at the actual rules, we have from J to M, from K to J, so things are going to be placed spatially for the employees. That's why we have our employees be inventory, so that way we can have one sitting to the right of the other or one to the left of the other. That way we know which employee is transferring to the next. All right, before we get to the rules, it's just important to remember, each employee works every day. We know that the employees work a 4-day work week. So when we are going down in the column, we have a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio. However, when we go through the row, there is no need for each employee to work on every work piece. We haven't been given that rule, so make sure not to put that boundary on yourself. All right, so now let's go to the rules. Rule number 1. A work piece cannot be transferred from J to M. So we have a J, M, anti-block. And again, this is why we have our inventory be the employees, because we know if we have a block of employees, the one to the left of it is transferring to the one to the right of it. So J can't transfer to M. Now, rule number 2, K cannot transfer to J. So we have a KJ anti-block. And rule number 3, L cannot transfer to J. So we know we have an LJ anti-block. Okay, we know that K and L cannot transfer to J. So if anyone is going to be transferring to J, it's going to be M. So we have M is going to transfer to J. So who can J transfer to, assuming that J is not on a Thursday? So we know J can't transfer to M, but J could transfer to either L or K. So this is going to be a potential block that we're going to see. Now, going along with J, since it's our most restricted employee, let's think about where J can go. We know J is going to work on a work piece every single day. So let's just write out these options for J. We have option 1, J is going to work on a Monday. So we have J working on a Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we know if J is working on a Monday, J will be transferring to someone on Tuesday, and J can't transfer to M, so J is going to be transferring to LK. And that's all we know. We don't know who's going to be on Wednesday, because though we know Wednesday can't be J, Wednesday could be the other binary of LK, or it could be M. So now let's have J be on Tuesday. So we have J on Tuesday. We know the only person that could have transferred to J is M on Monday. And then we know the only ones that J can transfer to are L and K. And so here we have our nice MJLK block. Okay, now we have J on Wednesday. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. J on Wednesday. We know J can only transfer to L or K, and the only one that could have transferred to J is M, so M is going to be on Tuesday, and that's all that we know in this scenario. And lastly, J must also work on a Thursday. So we have option 4, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, J working on Thursday. Remember, the only one that can transfer to J is M, so M is going to be on Wednesday, and that's all we know. So now I want to make it clear that these 4 options are not 4 options that have to occur. For instance, look at option 1 and 4. Option 1 and 4 could actually be merged. We could have J on Monday, 1 of LK on Tuesday, and then we could have M on Wednesday, and then J on Thursday. That would satisfy our J on Monday, J on Thursday, and all we would need is a J on Tuesday and a J on Wednesday. So it's really important to remember that these 4 options are not mutually exclusive. Some of them could occur at the same time. However, writing these options out revolving around J is really important, and it helps us visualize the different possibilities that we could have in our setup. So that's our setup with rules and deductions. Let's go ahead and hit the questions.